Welcome to this course on biochemical engineering. In this first module, we will build the foundation by understanding the principles of engineering that intersect with life sciences. We will explore core concepts such as process engineering, biochemistry, material balance, thermodynamics, and reaction kinetics. We'll also discuss how biochemical engineering blends biotechnology and chemical engineering, and why this unique combination plays such a central role in industries today. Section 1. What is biochemical engineering? Biochemical engineering is the application of chemical engineering principles to biological systems. Instead of dealing only with chemical reactions, we deal with biological processes such as fermentation, enzymatic reactions, and cell growth. In other words, we take living organisms or components derived from them, like enzymes, bacteria, or mammalian cells, and we design processes to produce useful products such as medicines, vaccines, food ingredients, and biofuels. Section 2. Key engineering concepts. Process engineering. This refers to the design, control, and optimization of processes. In biochemical engineering, process engineering ensures that biological reactions can be scaled up from the laboratory to full industrial production safely and efficiently. Biochemistry. At the heart of biochemical engineering is biochemistry, the science of how living systems function. Understanding metabolic pathways, enzyme activity, and cellular behavior helps us manipulate organisms to produce desired products. Material balances. Every process requires tracking what goes in and what comes out. Material balance ensures that raw materials such as glucose, oxygen, and nutrients are properly accounted for, and that byproducts such as carbon dioxide or waste biomass are measured and managed. Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics teaches us about energy transformations. In biochemical processes, energy is critical. Cells require energy to grow and produce, while engineers need to design systems that minimize energy loss. Reaction kinetics. Reaction kinetics allows us to understand the speed of biological reactions, how fast an enzyme converts a substrate to a product, or how quickly a microbial population grows. Kinetics is vital in designing bioreactors. Section 3. Industries and applications. Biochemical engineers are in demand across industries. Pharmaceuticals, producing antibiotics, vaccines, and therapeutic proteins. Food and beverages, fermentation for beer, cheese, yogurt, and flavor compounds. Fertilizers and agriculture, microbial processes that enhance soil fertility. Energy, biofuels such as ethanol or biodiesel. Environmental engineering, wastewater treatment using microbial cultures. The skills gained in biochemical engineering are globally relevant, offering exciting opportunities in billion-dollar corporations around the world. Section 4. Biological reactors, the core of biochemical engineering. At the center of industrial biochemical processes lies the biological reactor, or bioreactor. A bioreactor is a vessel that provides the right environment for organisms or enzymes to carry out desired reactions. Designing and analyzing bioreactors requires considering oxygen transfer for aerobic cultures, temperature and pH control, mixing and agitation to maintain uniform conditions, sterility to prevent contamination. Bioreactor design ensures small-scale laboratory discoveries can be transformed into large-scale industrial operations. Section 5. Instruments and controls of bioreactors. Modern bioreactors rely heavily on instrumentation and automation. Sensors measure parameters such as dissolved oxygen, temperature, pH, and biomass concentration. Control systems then adjust these parameters to maintain optimal conditions. This is critical because microorganisms and cells are highly sensitive. Slight deviations can reduce yields or even destroy entire cultures. Thus, control engineering plays a vital role in biochemical engineering. End of Module 1 Summary. In this module, we explored the foundations of biochemical engineering, its core principles, industrial relevance, and the design and control of bioreactors. We now have a strong platform to move into more advanced topics, where we will see how these principles are applied in microbial culture processes, product recovery, bioprocess economics, and the management of complex microbial populations.